Take a closer look at the LCD. You'll see that they've got 8 pixels high and 5 pixels wide. But you'll also notice between each character there's about 1 pixel space. So if you want to draw a design, you've got to take that into account. We're going to try and draw a circle. So we're going to be using 3 squares along and 2 squares down, roughly what you can see there. Grab yourself some graph paper, draw out some grids, make it represent what you can see on the LCD. So here we've got 3 columns by 2 with 8 pixels by 5 in each. Grab yourself a compass, set it to about the size of the box and draw a circle just inside. What we really want is 2 circles, about a pixel in width. And then what we'll do is we'll take a pencil and for each of the bits in between the circles that cover a pixel, we're going to draw it in. And as we do this around, we're basically going to convert this into numbers. Now remember, in between the characters there's blank space, so they're not actually going to be pixels that we draw. But when we reduce down this picture in size, the eye will forgive you that and you'll more or less see a circle when you see it. So when you finish blocking them in, you might make a few mistakes. I made a few. Go around and draw a 1 in all of the filled in boxes. We'll leave the empty ones as zeros, but we don't need to draw those in. And with that done, transfer it to the Arduino and you can see our circle, which more or less represents what we drew on the paper. Now to get some animation, the simplest technique here is to take each of the characters in turn, turn them off, wait a few hundred milliseconds and turn them back on again. But I want our circle to chase itself around and around. So I've given each of the characters a number, C, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, going around in a circle. And what I want to do is turn on 1 and 2, and then turn off 0, turn on 2 and 5, turn off 1, turn on 4 and 5, turn off 2, and you can see the pattern here. I'm building up as a sort of logic diagram. And now I want to sort of write that out so it's easy for me to code into the Arduino. It's very longhand this, and you could reduce this down no problem at all. But this is a descripting video and I want to just make it really longhand for everyone to see. I'll put the code onto GitHub and you'll be able to see roughly what's going on in here. But I'm sort of showing the pattern as it's going around. And this is the end result. A circle that chases itself around, and I think you'll agree that's pretty cool for a piece of old technology like an LCD screen. If you like my video, please think about subscribing, hit the like button, and have a lot of fun messing around with electronics. Bye now.